to me last week, Madam President, I continue about my way, because I know I'm the VPE, not the president, but as of that moment it changed. Leadership is not about being the best. Leadership is making those around you the best version of themselves.
Yes. Preach, preach.
Try to get out through this without tears, but I done failed with that part. 7178, thank you. In 2018, I did not see this. I certainly did not desire it. And I jokingly said I would be president around 25, 24. Okay, power of words. But I am eternally grateful.
Eat the fruit of your lips.
I am eternally grateful for your faith in me, for building my confidence 1 week at a time, that turned into weeks, that turned into months, that became years. I do say this with pride. I think within all the time I've missed 4 meetings. So it speaks to my commitment to the program and definitely to this club. You forced me to think outside of the norm of my mind, to be around great minds, great thinkers, people who are on the edge, cutting edge, who are always progressing, always growing, always wanting more. You amaze me. My first meeting was in August of 2018, and I was wowed. I'd be like, I have to be a part of them. The atmosphere was welcoming, it was electrifying, and the most important thing for me, it was that of family. It was that of family. So outside of Toastmasters, I learned that y'all do life together. I thought that was just church folk, but no, it wasn't. Y'all did life together. But I am eternally grateful to this club, to those who would put me on the side. If you want to be a better speaker, Allison, speak and speak often. Ask questions in the business session. Make sure the table topics master give you a question, a statement, something to say. But speak and speak often is the only way you will get better, get comfortable. And actually, right now, my butterflies are still in formation. They are in formation.
Go ahead, Madam President. Proud of you, girl.
Thank you so much. What really kept me on this leadership journey, when I was vying for vice president membership, I called Distinguished Toastmaster Clem Foster, and I got angry at him. He didn't know, he doesn't know. He was, he was my temperature check, because the days when it really got hard and I wanted to throw in the towel, I would hear Clem's voice say to me, now, madam, I expect for you to go through to the next 2 positions. Oh, okay. Again, say it hesitantly and not quite sure, but I always say about myself, I'm not a punk. So if I start this, I am going to finish.
Yes.
And with all of the challenges throughout the year, especially the last one, it made me who I am today. I could stand here and appreciate the journey. Not an easy one, but I got through it. And I'm better for it. It made me realize it truly was process over product. It was the process over product. And because of that process, we have this product of here this evening. I stand here before you humbled, grateful, and happy. I seek not to do this leadership in and of myself. There is a higher power, but I speak more to of my executives. Along with the members is what make the magic happen. Even when it gets hard and you want to give up and you want to throw in the towel, when we get in those meetings and the energy and the learning and the fun, the camaraderie and family, it makes it all worth it. I believe I said that to our immediate past president. I say, after all of that hard work and a little bit of stress, when that magic happens in the meeting, it was all worth it, and I would do it again. As we celebrate 25 years of existence, and I think that deserves a round of applause. I'm proud, number 25, to stand on the shoulders of people such as distinguished Toastmaster Anthony Longley, Pamela D. Rowell, Nakira Sim-Simonet, Elaine Foster, Clem Foster, Jameer McIntosh, and all of the other past presidents that went through this before me. I believe you have made the journey a bit easier for me, and I know I don't do it just off of head knowledge. I know there is a standard, and you will make sure that me and my executives will keep that standard.
Yes.
I see. I just about this. I see Elaine nodding her head in the back. Our members, our senior members, they're not easy. You get calls. Hey, Madam VPE, I'm being told you're not doing your job. So I only could imagine what the conversation would be like as president. But I'm here to learn, I'm here to listen, I'm here to execute. And I take holistically the word of our keynote speaker who said, even greater.
Right.
Now, for me, there was a atmosphere that really attracted me to this club of family. And we may have lost our way a bit, but it is my goal, and I vow to you today, that I will do everything within my power to get us back there as best I can. Again, I don't look.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I do not look to do that by myself. I look to do that with each and every executive that was sworn here today and every member. Without our members, none of this is possible. There's no need to come here. And I realized that when I served as membership vice president. It is the members. And we are here to serve you. As we go through our 25th year of existence, we look to you for your ideas and things that you would like to do, as we do have a few to present to you. But we know it's not about us, and it's a collective effort to celebrate. We will ask you for your ideas. Let's execute those and have some fun doing it. Let's learn together. Let's be together. Let's unite together.
Absolutely.
So that we will have no broken pieces, because the chain is only as good as its weakest link. And one of the key things I always share with people about our club, we fight, and tomorrow we go sit and have lunch. I love that. Personally, I love that. Now that speaks volumes. That says that we're truly friends.
Yes.
And y'all know we have we have heated business sessions, and that's okay. You know, some of us a little bit more passionate than others and have to get their point across. But I love the following day we can go and have lunch.
At night?
No, that's right. That night after the meeting, we go out, we sit down like, nah, Toastmaster, you know, all of that wasn't needed. You were stretching the business session a little too long. Just get your point out and let's move on. If you don't find a resolve, we'll revisit. But I am honored, I am humbled, and I am grateful. Thank you, Club 7178, for allowing me to serve, to continue my leadership journey, my service journey to you in this season. I will do everything that I can that is expected of me, and a little bit more, to serve you. It will indeed be my pleasure. Thank you.